Hello Devon, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2012 Honda CBR600RR. The kilometers is 10,328 and the price is $7,999 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified by the book. It comes with extra features. It's a kid eliminator, integrated turn signals under the tail, and it's black and black. Brand new rear tires and front tires, and it's ready to sell. And also we have a CBR250. We just got it, and I'm gonna walk you up there to show you. See our facilities here. We do have a lot of bikes. This 2011 CBR250R. I just bought it from the customer, and it's very clean. The same thing, it comes with extra features of this motorcycle. Windshield. We have a nice pipe. Leo Vins. Under tail integrated turn signals, and the bike is very clean. Once again, price for this motorcycle, it's $31,888 plus HST and licensing, and it's available too. If you require more questions, please give me a call. Phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.